welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Servpro Employee account. If you'd like to manage your employee account, learn about your work benefits, salaries and much more, then here's how to do it. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you are an employee of Servpro and you would like to log into your account in order to get access to it, open up your web browser to begin. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Servpro Employee Login and press enter. You'll be taken to the search results displayed on the next page over here. Simply go ahead and click on this link right here that says Servpro Login, which will take you to this workcenterbeta.servpronet.com. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the login area for Servpro. Go ahead and type in your username in the first text field, head over to the next one and type in your password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. In case you don't remember your password and you don't know what to do next, you can click on Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in your credentials, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Servpro employee account right away. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.